Imagine a world where your devices anticipate your needs, know your habits, and where technology effortlessly integrates into every aspect of your life. What if I told you that such a world is not a distant reality, but a mere moment away? Welcome back to New Tech Evolve. Today we're disclosing the most anticipated tech releases of 2023. Let's start our journey. 1. Meta Quest 3 and Meta Quest Pro. Introducing our first device reveal, the Meta Quest 3. It's not just an upgrade, it's the next stride in our virtual journey. Designed with the consumer in mind, it's set to bring even more enthusiasts into this ever-expanding universe. While it cherishes the DNA of its predecessor, the Quest 3 will be a refined experience, crafted meticulously to enhance immersion, all while staying accessible at a potentially subsidized price. But for those who aren't just content experiencing the metaverse and want to shape it, there's something even more potent in store. Meet the Meta Quest Pro. Targeted at professionals, this isn't just a headset. It's a portal to create, innovate, and redefine the digital world. With features like eye tracking expected in its arsenal, the Pro isn't just about consuming content, but creating worlds that someday might be as real as our own. 2. Apple Watch Ultra. Apple has been making consumer smartwatches for a few years now, but late 2022 saw the introduction of a new model designed to compete with the high-end sports and luxury models recently introduced by competitors such as Garmin and Tag Heuer. The Apple Watch Ultra is encased in a titanium shell, making it more hard-wearing and durable than any previous Apple Watch. It also has a brighter, scratch-resistant screen, a powerful proprietary S8 processor, and a battery that lasts almost twice as long between charges. New sensors include a depth gauge and water temperature sensors, both aimed at divers. 3. LG OLED Flex. Gaming monitors have hit a point of diminishing returns as they compete for higher refresh rates and resolutions. While CES showcased world firsts like a 500 Hz refresh rate panel, these improvements are barely noticeable to the naked eye. The OLED Flex packs just enough power to meet the demands of today's most high-end systems, a 4K resolution and smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. But where the Flex stands out is in its unique functionality. You no longer have to decide between purchasing a wide TV-like monitor for better viewing angles from a distance or a curved display for a more immersive gaming environment up close. With the press of a button, this screen switches between both orientations. Its vibrant OLED colors are lifelike when wrapped around your peripherals during a gaming session. But when you want to crawl into bed or recline in your chair, you can open up the screen to fill your field of view from afar. 4. The Sonos Era 300. This isn't just another speaker, it's an audio revolution. Crafted by the maestros at Sonos, the tasteful tech giant, this masterpiece isn't just about delivering sound, it's about reshaping the very essence of how you experience it. A paradigm shift in spatial audio awaits, all thanks to its groundbreaking Dolby Atmos capabilities. 6 meticulously positioned drivers work in perfect harmony, creating a symphony that envelops you. Whether you're curled up on your favorite couch or moving around, the Era 300 ensures that the sound doesn't just reach your ears, it resonates with your soul. 5. Withings U-Scan. Did you know your urine contains more than 3,000 metabolites, which can be used to create an in-depth snapshot of our health, providing early warnings of a number of medical conditions as well as recommendations for diet and exercise? Smart device manufacturer Withings does, which is why it has created the U-Scan. This device is billed as the first hands-free connected home urine lab and sits in a toilet bowl, ready to collect samples whenever it is used. An optional For Professionals cartridge enables advanced data collection and analytics that can be used by doctors for long-term monitoring of day-to-day changes in patients' health, as well as to collect data for clinical trials. Enjoying a sneak peek into the future? Then hit that subscribe button and never miss a moment with us. 6. Airxom Mask. This is a smart mask that was first displayed a few years back when there was a rush of technology-driven innovation aimed at solving problems caused by the global COVID-19 pandemic. Several iterations later, the Airxom mask is now billed as providing protection against viruses, bacteria, and atmospheric pollutants, thanks to its polyethylene terephthalate filters that trap particles inside meshed textile fabrics while deactivating them and rendering them inert through exposure to antiseptic and antibiotic copper, as well as ultraviolet light rays projected onto a photocatalytic silver surface. This process neutralizes threats posed by organic and non-organic pollutants as they pass through the mask. 7. Rolling Square AirCard. AirCard is equal parts stylish and useful. No bigger than your typical credit card, this metallic marvel isn't just about style. It's bursting with utility. Tuck it into your wallet and instantly, you've got a beacon that seamlessly integrates with Apple's Find My network. Misplaced your wallet? Stress no more. But wait, there's more to AirCard than meets the eye. With its integrated NFC chip, sharing becomes a breeze. A simple tap can send over your digital business card or an essential link. 8. Transparent speaker. Ever dreamt of a speaker that not only delivers crystal clear sound but also exudes a sense of pure aesthetics? Welcome to the future with the transparent speaker. This isn't just any audio device, it's an art piece, a conversation starter, a melding of top-tier sound quality and striking design. Imagine watching the intricate dance of vibrations, seeing the very heart of your music come to life. Every part of this speaker has been carefully constructed and is exposed for all to see, housed in transparent premium materials that beg for a closer inspection. But it's not just about visuals. The sound is equally breathtaking, offering a harmonious blend of deep bass, mellow mids, and crisp highs. So why settle for the seen and heard when you can have a sensory experience that's both seen and heard with the transparent speaker? Dive into a symphony of sound and sight. 9. GE Profile Smart Mixer. A high-tech kitchen marvel, the GE Smart Mixer is not only a baker's dream, but also an innovative guide for all culinary adventures. This smart device effortlessly weighs out precise quantities of ingredients using its inbuilt scale, while its articulate voice feature provides users with meticulous step-by-step instructions. Advanced sensors delve deep, assessing the texture and consistency of mixtures, empowering the mixer to offer real-time suggestions and adjustments as you whip up snacks and gourmet meals. Seamless integration with Google and Amazon Echo devices amplifies its convenience, enabling a fully voice-controlled culinary experience. 10. LuminTech Vision Glasses. Step into the future with LuminTech Vision Glasses, the culmination of cutting-edge optics and tech innovation. These aren't your average eyewear. They blend augmented reality, adaptive lens technology, and stylish design, offering an unparalleled visual experience. Whether navigating a new city, attending virtual meetings, or customizing your view with real-time filters, these glasses enhance every facet of your vision. Lightweight yet durable, they're a perfect companion for the tech-savvy individual on the go. With LuminTech, see the world in ways you never imagined possible. Dive into the next frontier of visual tech today. These releases are just the tip of the iceberg. 2023 is shaping up to be a hallmark year for tech, with innovations that promise to change our lives forever. Thanks for tuning in to New Tech Evolve. Remember, the future isn't set, it's waiting for us to experience it. Until next time, keep evolving.